past and present, side by side. Your eyes reflect a quiet sea, a map of who I'm meant to be. You smile at me without a word, the sweetest song I've ever heard. Time flows on, a gentle stream, woven like a golden dream, framed together, heart to heart, two pieces of a single art. You are the root, and I'm the leaf, beyond the years, beyond the grief. Colors blend into the light, a silent voice within the night. One hand reaches for the other, the bond of daughter and of mother. It doesn't matter how fast we ran, we're part of a much greater plan. Time flows on, a gentle stream, woven like a golden dream, framed together, heart to heart, two pieces of a single art. You are the root, and I'm the leaf, beyond the years,